Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change message tone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your ViVO Y20i mobile phone and settings. Scroll down and go to sounds and vibration. Here in sounds and vibration, scroll down again and you can see the SIM1 message tone and SIM2 message tone. And okay guys, to change the message tone, okay, you'll have to do is select SIM1 or SIM2. So I decide to change the SIM1 message tone. Okay, tap this and you can see the option. Okay, you can see more option by scrolling down. And okay guys, I decide to change Doda. So okay, tap the Doda. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed the message tone on ViVO Y20i mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.